Hey, welcome to my video. My name is Luke Nestler. Today we're going to be talking about how I find the multifamily apartments that are in my portfolio. It's how I built a $3 million real estate portfolio in a little under 12 months. It's how I found those deals. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Luke Nestler. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm the CEO of Impact Results. We work with real estate professionals, whether you're an educator, whether you're a high-level agent, or whether you're an investor around the country. And what we do is help them scale out their marketing systems and processes. I'm also a real estate investor. And what this channel is designed for, it's not to sell you anything. I really don't have anything to sell. Maybe one day in the future I'll have something. But right now, it's just to document my journey and share with you things that I've learned along the way. I was on a Zoom event last night that I was invited to speak on, and one of the questions that I got was, how do you find your deals? Are you driving for dollars? Are you buying a list and then skipping that list and then cold calling? Those are all great things and great techniques, but the way that I find my deals kind of goes back to what my other business is that I own. It's a marketing agency, so I understand the power of personal branding and getting attention on yourself and what you do. Now, I'm not sharing my content to be braggadocious and to tell everybody in the world how great I am. It's not it at all. In fact, I don't believe that at all. I'm sharing it so that people know what I'm doing. And I share it in a real, genuine way, right? So if you follow me on Instagram, or if you're a follower or a friend of mine on Facebook, you'll have seen the content that I've posted since 2020 about me getting into the real estate space and growing my portfolio. What started as single family homes that went to the BRRRR fix and rent style that are now full in on multifamily. I've documented that journey. Now, why did I do that? I did that so that people knew who I was, what I do, so that they can bring me deals. That's also how I find my private money. I buy properties creatively through seller finance, or I raise private money. Well, I can't raise private money to buy something when I don't have something to buy, so I use social media and personal branding to put deals in my pipeline. And I can't take down deals if I don't have money to buy my deals. And that's how I raise private money. You see, social media is a megaphone, and if you're not yelling and screaming through that megaphone, in today's world, most people might, in your personal circle, might know that you're probably still alive, but they probably have no clue what it is that you do. And there's no way for them to help you, and there's no way for you to help them if they don't know who you are and what you do. So what I use social media for is to share my journey. I'll document what I'm working on. I'll do call to actions like, hey, if you know somebody with 6 units or more, we're currently purchasing in this market. If you know anybody, I'd love an introduction. And I can truthfully tell you 9 times out of 10 when I do that, and I don't do it every day, I don't even do it every week, I do it a couple of times a month. Every single time that I've done that, I've gotten a lead. And not just any lead. I've gotten 13-unit leads, I've gotten 60-unit leads, I've gotten 25-unit leads, 49-unit leads. Great leads. Why? Because there are what's called tired landlords, and they're tired and they want to move on with their life and they want to cash out. They don't know where to turn. A true investor, what I've learned, really doesn't like to place their properties on the market if they can find an investor to buy it from them. They'd rather do an off-market deal. For whatever reason it is, and I love real estate agents, I work with them all day, some investors don't want to work with an agent. So if you provide them with a solution, they'll bring you the deal. And that's exactly what I've done. So what I encourage you to do is to share your journey, to document what you're doing. Don't try to be Grant Cardone. Don't try to be Pace Morby. Don't watch this video and try to replicate and act like me. Be yourself. I love Cardone. I love those guys. I don't try to act like them. I'm genuinely me, so that when I put it out to my audience, they know that who I am and what I'm about and how I actually act. So I encourage you to do the same. I hope this video finds you well. I hope it maybe brought you some helpful information. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll elaborate further on any question you have. You can also follow me on Instagram, at Luke Nestler on Instagram. Be sure to keep the nose to the grindstone when it comes to this. I promise you, if you grind for 30 days and you look up, where you are going to be at in 30 days is going to be drastically different than where you were 30 days ago. Thank you for watching today's video. I'll be back soon with another video, and I wish you the most success.